Hello everyone, today we will see how to do glass effect और water effect in images. तो आज हम लोग देखेंगे कि images में कैसे water effect करते हैं. And this one is our model, and first we need to copy that. Ctrl+J करके कॉपी कीजिए इसको. उसके बाद आप लोग क्विक सिलेक्शन टूल्स के माध्यम से सिलेक्शन करेंगे. I use quick selection tool for selection here and extract the legs. Okay. Oof. That's final. And extract legs. 4 to 5 copy. I make 5 copy. And deselect this one. Okay, make them invisible and put a black mask here. Okay, and put it below. We need to put it below the first layer. Okay, just see the fault of the selection. You can easily notice. Okay, so first double click on the layer and go to layer style and choose the bevel emboss and size. Curve, you need to select this one. You can select anything. Okay, this one is optional. You can select whichever you want. You do little bit experiment here. आप यहाँ पे थोड़ा experiment कीजिए. Fill opacity will be 0. Fill opacity यहाँ पे 0 होगा. And opacity must be 100% to see the effect. This one is the effect. We need to see the effect, not the model. And for the second one we do the same thing. एक ही चीज करेंगे. यहाँ पे सिर्फ जो डिफरेंस होगा वो है एक एंगल का डिफरेंस होगा, टोटली ऑपोजिट. You can see the effect. Okay, first one effect was there, and this is the second one effect. This is the second one effect. Okay, we need to lower down the opacity and little bit play with size. आप चेक कर लीजिए साइज क्या रखेंगे आप आपके इमेज के अकॉर्डिंग. और एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये इमेज इस एग्जाम्पल के लिए परफेक्ट नहीं है. थोड़ा डार्क, पीछे वाला डार्क होना जरूरी है. द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द इमेज मस्ट बी लिटिल बिट डार्क और शैडोइश. देन यू कैन easily get better effect. I have this one, that's why I select this one. Then we need to apply here chrome effect. First we will desaturate this one. Okay, for desaturating what happened? Shift plus Control plus U, then go to filter and apply chrome effect here. This one the chrome, and the side one is totally optional. आप कुछ भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. You can select anything according to your images. You do little bit experiment here. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Need to put visible this one, and we need to make in this desaturate this one. अब ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट को हम लोग डिसैचुरेट करेंगे. ओके, सॉरी. We will select this 4 black and white chrome, A2 A1, and march into a layer. And shortcut for that, shift control plus shift plus alt plus E, and make 4 of A1 A2 black and white chrome and black and white into a group. And you can give any name, preparation group or anything, preparation purpose group or initial group, anything. Okay, just need to see little bit, and here is our image. Now we need to do here content aware fill. We select the lake using quick selection tool. Okay, fuck man. Content aware. Okay. That's final. You can see the transparency here. अब यहाँ पे ट्रांसपेरेंसी को देखिए, ये पूरा ट्रांसपेरेंट होगा. यहाँ पे अगर थोड़ा डार्क होता, and this one if the background will be little bit dark, then you can easily get the effect much. Okay, now we need to do copy here, but before that we need to apply here glass effect. हम लोग यहाँ पे glass effect apply करेंगे और उसको blend करेंगे और देखेंगे कौन सा वाला blend सही है. We will blend the glass effect and see which one is correct. And this one is totally optional. You can choose anything. The side one is okay. This one smoothness. Okay, final. That's final. Now we need to copy the RGB. Control plus click. For copy that we need control plus click and put it overlay. Okay, that's final. We will make invisible this one and put layer mask below that. Okay, now you can see the effect. I make here one thing is that okay, it's final. Now we need to do dodge and burn effect using curve. You do a little bit experiment here, which one is better for your image, and you select according to your image. And effect applied, yes. Then we need to do the little bit. If anything wrong happened, you can easily switch to other effect also to see which one is better for your image. Now need to put it. Now you can see the transparency here, and we need to blend it, okay, and see which one is good for our project. We did some mistakes here, you can see, notice here. I need to select this portion, not the whole leg. The top is visible here. Okay, and this one is much perfect, and no, we don't need this. Now we need to copy that layer, Control plus J, and put it to our project. Now we will set according to our project. Free transform, Control plus T, and put here and blend it. You need to blend it. You can blend it anything. You just do little bit experiment. I do not experiment here much. Okay, now we need to put mask here. Before that we need to check something, that which one better. Now this one much better. We need to mask here. Alt and click on the mask for black mask, and we need to paint it with a white color. Whichever is white, that will be reveal, and whichever is black, that will not reveal. Just want to see a little bit. Yes, now we will paint, and you can easily see the effect here, the greenish blue effect. Later we will correct it using black color. this part is boring, you can skip this part. Okay. And we almost finish. You can see the light greenish effect. Now we need to hide this and blend it again. Now that's final. And blend with different mode. Yes. Not so good. No. Almost finished. You can skip from here. So I have some different example. I did the same thing in there. You can easily I did the same thing here. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel for get more updates. And dhanyavad. Thank you very much. Goodbye.